The US stock market's been through a bumpy ride lately. The nasdaq and the sp500 have both been down for 2 weeks in a row. Folks are wondering if the market's going to keep sliding or if we're due for a turnaround. We've got a make or break week ahead. The Federal Reserve's going to announce their interest rate decision, and we've got big names like Apple, Microsoft, and Meta reporting their earnings. Howdy traders, this is Fox Lily coming to y'all from Dallas with your weekly Wall Street preview. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure to hit that subscribe and like button so you won't miss any updates from Lily's channel. On the macro side, the Fed's decision is coming this Wednesday. The June CPI data came in as expected, but it's still above the target, hinting at possible rate cuts later this year. My hunch? They might hold rates steady for now, but could be setting the stage for a cut come September. Now let's take a closer look at the S&P 500 chart to see when this pullback might end. On the weekly chart, the price has just pulled back to the uptrend line, offering some support. Comparing this to previous instances where we saw a bearish engulfing pattern followed by a decline, we typically see at least 3 weeks of pullback. So there's a good chance we'll continue to see some downward movement this week. However, if the price fails to close below the uptrend line and the downward momentum starts to weaken and next week closed as a bullish candle, then it can signal the end of this pullback. Now, let's talk about the individual stocks to watch. First up, Microsoft. Can they boost market confidence with their strong showing in cloud computing and AI? Even though analysts are raising their earnings forecasts, there's growing skepticism about the returns on tech stocks' AI investments. Microsoft needs to manage their spending carefully to avoid any pitfalls. On the technical side, Microsoft is in a short-term pullback within an overall uptrend. The price has now dipped into the area marked by previous high-volume candlesticks, which is providing some support. If the upcoming earnings report give more positive feedback, it may let the price break out the downtrend line and start a new upward phase. Otherwise, it might continue to move lower. Next, Meta's dropping their Q2 earnings on Wednesday. The market's expecting a solid bump in revenue and earnings per share. Key points to watch include user growth, strong demand in the ad market, capital expenditures, and progress in their AI ventures. Plus, there's some buzz about a potential hefty fine from the EU, so investors will be all ears during the earnings call. And don't forget about Apple, releasing their earnings on Thursday. Keep an eye on iPhone sales in China and any updates on their AI strategy. These could have a big impact on their stock price. Alrighty y'all, if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up to show your support. See y'all next time.